Morning to everyone. Yes, I welcome you all. Class 3 EVS. Yes, today we'll start, that is lesson number 19, festivals and fairs. You know students, in your house so many festivals will be celebrated. Yes, so which are the festivals will be celebrated in your house? So for example, here Deepavali, Navaratri, yes, Yugadi, then Holi. So many festivals will be celebrating in your house. So here we can understanding here. So in this lesson we can recognize the spirit of cooperation among the people participating in the local festivals. In local festivals, all the peoples will be gathered. All the peoples will celebrating the local festivals. For example, fair. Yes, so these all the participating all in the local festival functions and also fairs. Yes, so they can given here students. So in this lesson, page number 149. So they can given here. See, Ramesh. So he is a Hindu, and here. So that is Nagina is a Muslim, how those are celebrating, and also a Robin is a what? Christian. So all the peoples are celebrating their festivals. Yes. So here see, in Hindu his name is Ramesh. What his name? His name is Ramesh. I am Ramesh. Deepavali is an important festival for us. Yes, in Hindus, Deepavali is a big festival and a very important what festival. All the relations they will come and join in the festival. So we celebrate the festival for 3 days. Yeah, how many days we will be celebrate the festival of Deepavali? 3 days. So first day is Naraka Chaturthi, means Naraka Chaturdasi. Second day Go Puja, it means worship of cow. And last, that is the last day, third day, Lakshmi Puja, the worshipping the goddesses of wealth. So these 3 days we will be celebrating the festival. Third day is a Bali Padami. So that Lakshmi Puja we can call as, that is third day Bali Padami. So you know that is in your house also they are also celebrating a Deepavali. How many days they will be celebrating a Deepavali, and what you are doing? Yes, see, during these 3 days we light lamps. Yes, so you light a lamps. So you eat the sweets and share with the neighbors. So different types of sweets they will be make in the house. So and also you will be eating the sweet, and also you will be share the neighbors of your house. We enjoy firework and crackers. You know that is you are also burning a crackers. Yes, so we enjoy the festival of very much. So you are wearing a new dress. Yes, you are purchasing a new dress on that day. It means in the festival time you are enjoying that moment. Yes, so this is a festival of Deepavali. So what they are doing and how many days they will be celebrating, and which are the pujas will the celebrating in 3 days. Yes, okay. So next one, that is in Muslim. So in Muslim they are celebrating a festival. What that is a main important festival. So I am Nagina. Ramzan is an important festival for us. So here in the Muslim, so they are celebrating a Ramzan, that is a big festival. So here in the month of Ramzan we fast during the day, and on the last day we celebrate the festival. They are fasting in the during daytime, and also they are celebrating the festival in the last day of the in the Ramzan. So we prepare a special dishes and sweets on that day. So they are also preparing a special dishes and also different types of sweets. And friends and neighbors greet each other. So it means the friends and neighbors they are also joining the festival. So we eat sweets and share with the neighbors. So all they will be enjoying, and they all eat, and also they are share with the neighbors. This is the festival of Muslim. So here Hindus and Muslims, you know that is, you know the festivals how those are celebrating and which are the important festival in those. Okay, so next one is we are going to as in a Christian. Okay, in the Christian, so here his name is a boy name is Robin. So in Christmas is a very important festival for us. So in a Christian, so they are celebrating a Christmas, that is a big festival in those. So on this festival we decorate the Christmas tree and hang gifts on it. So in the festival time, in the Christmas time, so they are decorate a tree, that is a Christmas tree. So they are lighting in the Christmas tree and hang gifts. So gifts also hanging. So friends and relatives visit our home on this day. So on the festival, so which festival? In the Christmas festival, so all the friends and the neighbors also joining with the day. So we greet each other and enjoy the festival. So here all they are joining and they are enjoying this festival, that is what? Christmas. So here Ramesh, Nagina and Robin have described the festivals. So they celebrate their homes. So all those are celebrating the festivals, they are celebrating those homes. Okay. So here they can given here question, which festival do you celebrate in your home? In your home, you are in Hindu or you are in Muslim or you are in Christian. So in your home, which festival they are celebrating? So in Hindus, Dasara, Holi, Deepavali, Ganesh Chaturthi, yes, then Navaratri, it comes in Deepavali, and Holi, so Nagar Panchami, so all the Yugadi, so these all they will be celebrating in the festival. Yes, okay. So in celebrating in our home, like in your home, which are the festivals they will be celebrating, you mentioned here. So and how do you decorate the houses during a festival, and how do you help your elders during these days? Yes, so in your festivals, in the festival time, in your house, how you will be decorating? Yes, so we decorate the during festival and with the lamps and lighting. Yes, so and by giving things, lights, and by giving things to our neighbors, and we help our elders, and we are eating and different types of dishes and sweets they will be making house. Yes, we are enjoying lot. Yes, in the festival time. Next question, write 4 lines about an important festival celebrating in your home. In your home, which are festival, it means which festival you are celebrating. So we'll be write about 4 lines. So here see, I'll write here Deepavali. Deepavali is an important festival. So we are celebrating in our house. We can decorate the houses with the lights and lamps, and also we are make different types of dishes and sweets. We are eating the sweets, and also we will be share with our neighbors, and we enjoying, and also will burning a firework, it means crackers also we are burning, and so we wear a new dress, new cloth we will be wearing, and like this we will be celebrating a Deepavali. So in your house, which is the important festival, so you will be right. Okay. So they can given here, make a list of special entertainment programs which are held on a festival day. So who performs these programs, where do they perform, and write in the table. They can be given here, programs, who and where. So in your house, or it may be in your village, they will be holding a programs, and who they are holding the programs, and where they are celebrating, in your house or as in a village. Okay, so will be mentioned here. So who visit your home on the festival day? Who will be visiting? So neighbors will visit, or as our relations. So in our family members, they were other places, they were in living in other places, they will also joining with the festival time. Yes, okay. What are the different dishes prepared on the festival day in your home? Which are the different types of sweets they will be making in your home? Yes, Obbattu they will making, and Omisali. Then next ladu, so then something sweets. Yes, so all the different types of sweets they'll make in our festival time in our home. Okay, so they will be, you will be mentioned here. So like what are the different dishes they will be preparing, like different types of sweets and dishes like palau. Yes, next chapati, then rice, sambar, so some papads. Yes, all will be mentioned here. Yes, so what is your favorite dish and why? Tell it to your friends. Yes, what is in your house they will be making in the dishes, no, that in that what festival time. So in that dishes, which is your favorite dish and why you like, why you are that favorite dish? Yes, you can be mentioned here. See, you told about the festival celebrated in your home. Write the names of the festivals where all the people of your place or locality gather together in the celebrating. So all the peoples, that means in village people, all they will be joining and celebrating. That is a what? Village fair. Yes, so it can be mentioned here. So they can given here, students, play the game. So they can given here numbers. You can be play the game and see the fair. The chart has 25 boxes. They can be given here. So using dice, move the pawns according to the numbers on it. So observe the picture in the box which the pawn is kept. Write in your notebook what is it and the end. Okay, what is it at an end. So write what is there in the boxes and that are skipped over by the pawn. So play with your friends. You can be playing and enjoying this game. Which fair is held in your place and locality? Tell about fair which you have seen. Yes. So in your locality, in your village, so which fair they will be celebrating? Which fair you will be celebrating in your house will be mentioned here. Okay. And see, students, they can be given here. Here is the situation of a pair. Identify the activities going on here and write in the space given. Say who are doing these activities. Yes, in the village fair. Yes, so all are they going here to play. Yes, to playing. All they are going here. So here, so he is drinking a juice and here so all sit together and eating in the fair. Okay, so will be mentioned here. So all the people of the place or locality gather together and celebrate some festivals. Fairs are also community festivals. So fair is also called as a utsav or we can call as in a urs. So all the people work collectively and in these festivals and also enjoying. Sing and enjoy they can given here. I went the fair to our village fair. All my friends assembled there. We enjoyed together with wonderful sight. Sweets and entertainment have made me fair. Yes, so another one they can be given here, sing and enjoy. So I went a fair. What did you bring? I brought a pair of scissors. I went to a fair. What do you bring? I brought a bell. I went to a fair. What did you bring? I brought a cycle. I went to a fair. What did you bring? I brought a necklace. I went to a fair. What did you bring? I brought a belt. Yes, students. So in your also, it means in your village or you are going to another village, they are celebrating. It means you are joining in this festival in the fair. So you are collecting like this. So you will taking as some visuals and some vehicles you are purchasing. Yes, and necklace. So in girls they are taking bangles, necklace. Yes, so all will be collecting, and toys also we will be taking as toys, cooking toys or as vehicles like toys. So all will be purchasing and also you will enjoying that moment. It means in the fair. Yes, students. So this lesson is completed. Tomorrow we'll start the new lesson. Thank you for watching.